All right, guys, so we're going to keep things short here just because I know that everyone's seen this before. But a couple things just right away that you can see. This is an S10 master cylinder. Made the brake lines myself, did those little swirlies in there just in case there's a little bit of flex going on in the body. For me, it's almost more for style. There was one more thing that I also did to this thing before you guys had seen it again, and that was I didn't do it myself because I actually got this scar on my arm. I think you guys can see that from welding under this thing. I just got torched right through my sweatshirt. It hurt. I have a ton of burns on my chest actually that are like permanent from laying under it when I was MIG welding the trans tunnel. So at that point I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna take it somewhere where they can make the exhaust, because I was running open headers, I guess you could say. They are just cast manifolds, just because that's what I could fit in there. Much quieter now. Let's see if I can get a decent view of them for you guys. So you can see it just dumps out, and then the mufflers are right there, right before the axle. I'm hopefully gonna make a few like cut downs or even merge them into one and get like a big fart pipe at the back, because I think that would be kind of ironic with the American Muscle thing going, and then just have like a big like burnt colored tip or something. But that's also just because I've had passengers in this thing before in the back, and they were like, dude, we're gonna die. Like they thought they were gonna pass out because all the fumes were coming right there, basically is where the exhaust dumps out. So I would like to drive people around in this thing eventually, so that'll be another thing that's kind of on the list, but that's sort of the back burner for now. Up here at the face of the car, just wired in a quick little pigtail for battery tender just to keep this battery good, and then something I actually did too, hopefully I'll redo these buckets again, because it was actually like supposed to be undercoating for chassis that I used on this, because it's a little bit flaky, you know, almost looks like bed liner. It just came right off. It was terrible stuff. So I don't remember what the brand was, but I definitely don't recommend that. So hopefully I'll redo these buckets at some point, but I put halo lights in this thing, which is kind of cool. These are LEDs and they work really well. Both high and low beam work. I haven't wired in, these are actually green halos. I think it goes really well with the Vega, obviously because of the green. But that's just another quick little thing I thought I'd show you guys, something that I was pretty excited about when I did it a long time ago. So there you go. Another quick thing I did here, guys, was just made a little gas tank cover. This was basically completely open before. Oh shoot, my hood's in the way. Just gotta shove. That's what's great about this thing. You don't mind scratching it. Just, you know, shove her out the way. Right onto there. So this actually was just out in the open. So I welded this whole cover in here, and then this is actually an access panel. So you can zip all these, I think they're 10mm bolts out, and then you can get to the sending unit if there's a wiring issue, or maybe the sock got clogged or something. So that's cool that that's there. And then hopefully I'll put just like a plywood cover in here, because you could even sleep in this thing with that seat down. It gives you plenty of room. So maybe one day camping in the Vega, if it ever makes it somewhere. But that's just another little thing I thought I'd show you guys. It's already starting to rust, but goes with the whole look of this thing, so we're gonna go with it.